In growing a small forex account, there is something that is more important than leverage, strategy, money management, and early profit. Most traders come across this problem. They'll be like, I had the direction but end up in loss. It is possible for you to have the right direction, have the right bias of the market, and still end up in loss. And the reason is there is difference between the strategy and the entry criteria. Most people focus more on just the skeleton, which is the strategy. And the most important thing in every strategy is the entry criteria. Let's assume you've already opened your broker account and you want to open your trading account. So here you click on open new account, select standard and click on continue. Next is the leverage. You have to select 1:2000 or unlimited. After that you click on create an account. The most important thing in trying to grow a small forex account is what I call the golden trade. What is the golden trade? So guys, if you are finding value in this video, I want you to click the like button and the subscribe button and also leave a comment. Thank you. The golden trade is your first trade or your first two trades. If you lose your first trade or your first two trades, you have a high tendency of blowing that account. The reason is because you are flipping and not growing. In flipping, you use high leverage, high loss size. Now you are putting a lot of pressure on your small account. Talking about small accounts, we're talking about from $10 to $100. I funded an account with $65 last week to prove that everything I'm saying on this video is real, and I was able to turn it to $260 in just two trades. Now, if those two trades were in the loss, definitely I have a high tendency of blowing that account. I also flipped $80 to $660 in 1 week and withdrew $571. I made a video on how I did that. The link is in the description. Now, all this cannot just be luck. I have laid down principle on how to grow small forex account. Every trade must have a plan. A plan includes the entry point, the exit point, invalidation zone, your first take profit, your second take profit. Plan your trade and trade your plan. It is as simple as that. In growing a small forex account or trying to flip, you must make use of early profits. Gold can move 100 pips in a direction and move 200 pips in the opposite direction. So don't swing a small account. It is not advisable. Why? Because you don't, first of all, you don't have enough money for the market to breathe. Cut your profits early. And growing a small forex account, you must accept losses. A bad trade is a bad trade. A good trade is a good trade. Don't use the hoping strategy. In sum of everything, you must fund your account, use a high leverage, focus on quality setup. Your first two trades must be in profit so you can stay longer in your flipping journey. Use good money management and make sure you make use of early profit. If you can do all these things, you're going to have a high edge in your flipping journey. See you guys in the next video.